How to create X account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded the X application on your device. Also, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the application. After that, just open up the X application and the application will look something like this. Now to create an account, what you have to do is just tap on create account, or you can even continue with Google. So here you can select your languages, tap on next, then you have to mention your name over here. Tap on your phone number and your date of birth as well. Now after tapping on next, you'll be led to a new page and you'll be led to verify your phone number as well. So just tap on OK and they'll send you a code in your phone number. Now just wait for a while until it loads after verifying your phone, and you'll be able to create an account on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.